Hi, this is Apex Artist. Today, I'm going to showcase my brand new custom nodes, inspired by Photoshop's layer blending styles. Then we have Apex Blur, packed with advanced and cinematic blur methods. Next, Apex RGB Curves, giving you full color control like never before. And finally, Smart Resize, a powerful node that resizes intelligently, keeping your composition clean and crisp. All of these are designed to make your workflow faster, smarter, and more creative. Let's dive in. Next up, Smart Resize. This one's pretty clever. It keeps your image size safe by snapping it to the closest resolution. Scale to the nearest size divisible by 16 or 32, ensuring full compatibility with AI tensor dimensions. Let's take a look at the original size and how Smart Resize scales it to a clean, tensor-friendly resolution. For example, a full HD image at 1920 by 1080 will be scaled down to 1344. Smart Resize keeps the maximum size around 1500, which works best for most modern models, like QuenEdit and other new AI models optimized for efficient input resolutions. Let's take a look at this portrait image of a girl. The resolution isn't divisible by 16 or 32, it's an odd number size that most AI models don't really like. But once we plug it into the Smart Resize node, the output gives us a clean 768. Now, say you want to convert this square portrait into a landscape image. We'll plug in the Apex Smart Resize node to prepare the image for landscape format. Let's connect it right after the input image. Select Landscape and set the Resize mode to fit Pad White. For the snap method, choose Closest Area. This makes it a proper landscape ratio and fills the empty space with white padding. You can even use it as an outpaint padding node. Just type fill the area in the prompt. As you can see, the image is padded white on the leftover space, outpainted, and we now have a clean landscape version. And that's the power of the Smart Resize node. It keeps your images safe, ensures AI compatibility, and makes adapting any size, portrait, square, or landscape quick and effortless. Now, let's take a look at the Apex Blur node and why you really need it. Blurring isn't just about softening edges, it's about controlling focus, depth, and mood in your images. With Apex Blur, you get multiple advanced blur methods, giving you precise control over how and where the blur is applied with mask support. You can also use the blur with a mask, which lets you selectively blur parts of the image instead of the whole thing. This way, you can keep your main subject sharp while softening the background, or apply creative focus effects exactly where you want. Now, let's combine all these nodes into a Photoshop-style workflow. First, I'll clone the input image for parallel processing. Then, I'll apply the blur and plug it into the Layer Blend node. We can select light or screen blending mode and adjust the blend amount. You'll also have all the blend modes available in Photoshop right here, giving you full creative freedom for blending and compositing exactly the way you want. The result is a nice soft glow effect. No need for Photoshop post-processing. Everything is done creatively right here in Comfyui using Apex Artist nodes. I'll be adding more nodes as needed, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share for more.